Over to kind of the world of newer authors. Many of the folks who subscribe to our online writing conferences are relatively new authors. What do you see as some of the biggest challenges that they face?
In terms of publishing, I have to go back to the author platform once again. It's more than just writing these days. You have to have a means of building a tribe and having that tribe following you and engaging with you on a regular basis. So it's all about, once you've established yourself as a writer, of establishing that platform, establishing that tribe, of that group of people who will engage with your content, who will respond to your content, who will share your content, and building that over time. And that's really, I think, one of the biggest challenges facing new authors today, is to really build that platform.
So what type of advice do you have for new authors, both from a platform standpoint and more generally?
I recommend typically that you start off with a website. And there's a model out there called the hub and spoke model, which is pretty familiar to a lot of people in the industry. But essentially, you establish your home base on something that you manage and something that you own. And that would be a website and or blog. Usually I recommend that at least you have a blog that you're working with. And from that point, you build outward into the social spaces. So maybe you establish a beachhead on Facebook, you establish a beachhead on Instagram, maybe on Twitter, wherever you feel comfortable and wherever you have your best results and your best engagement. Engage in those particular channels. Those become your spokes. And don't forget about email marketing. Email marketing, for years, people have been trying to kill it. They've been trying to throw it out the window. I just chuckle every year when I see articles come out that declare the death of email marketing, because I've been seeing those for about 10 years now, and it hasn't gone away. It's still the number one tactic out there as far as digital marketing is concerned. So don't forget about email marketing. Build your email lists. Get established in sending out regular email notices to those who subscribe to you with great content, and continue to engage with people. And I think if you start building those pieces of the platform puzzle and start connecting them together, start engaging regularly, you're going to start seeing some results.
Well, this has been great. Keith, thanks so much for spending some time with us. We'll look forward to your webinar presentation in January.
You're welcome. Looking forward to it too.